Introduce short overview of Fragraty Tumbler Heat Press. You enter or here, what will you get? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. 11 to 30 ounces Tumbler Heat Press. The Potable Sublimation Tumbler Heat Press comes with a 10.6-inch long, 2.65 to 3.4-inch diameter detachable heating attachment, suitable for 11 and 15 and 16 and 20 and 30 ounces ceramic mugs, glasses mugs and stainless steel mugs. By adjusting the rotating screw, you can easily fix cups of different sizes. Portable design. The mug press sublimation machine is small and compact, easy to store without taking up a lot of space. The handle is convenient for you to take it at any time, and you can easily take it out for outdoor DIY. Perfect DIY effect. The heating pad of the cup heat press is made of 3 layers of thickened silicone, which has good thermal conductivity and is durable for a long time. Equipped with double heating wires, tumbler heat press machine for sublimation heats up faster and more evenly than traditional cup roller presses, resulting in more vivid patterns and perfect heat transfer effects. Easy to use. Tumbler heat press power, 500 watt, voltage, AC 110 volt, temperature range, 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, time range, 0 to 999 second. The LCD display of the heat press for tumblers shows the specific time and temperature, which can accurately control the temperature and time. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for watching.